Hello, my name is Ernest Hairston.
Hello, I'm Mencie. We met at Gallaudet. And this October, we will be celebrating our 45th anniversary of marriage. How did we meet?
Oh, I remember that day quite vividly. You made quite an entrance and waved at me as you took your seat. I thought it was a bit strange.
I confess, I was only half paying attention to your presentation. I was checking you out, thinking to myself, he's a cute guy. He certainly didn't know this, but I knew we were going to spend the rest of our lives together. We could spend hours and hours to share how Gallaudet University is not just a place of learning, it's a springboard for opportunities and a nurturing ground for personal and professional growth.
Today, we want to share simple but important things that really make Gallaudet so unique for us and for many others.
That's right. We both found our love here at Gallaudet. And many others found it too, through different kinds of relationships, from romance, meeting people that become lifelong friends, to being colleagues.
I remember picking you up from your dorm at Cogswell Hall on weekends. You and your friends would come to my apartment
Yes, I remember.
to cook Filipino food and hang out, or make weekend plans to visit museums in DC together.
I was always so eager to see things around Gallaudet. Those were the days. You took me out to community events like I was your queen.
Aren't you still?
That's true.
Do you remember those TTY calls we made back then?
Oh yes, that big clunky machine, the TTY machine, was behind the RA's desk at Cogswell dorm. I had to wait for my turn to use it. And after all of our calls and transcripts, I made sure I tore off the printed paper so the next person will not read what we talked about. I've noticed that the communication here at Gallaudet has vastly improved from our days. Face-to-face communication is available anywhere, anyway. Everything and everyone here at Gallaudet is connected.
That's also true when I was involved with some student organizations in theater. I had teachers who were directly involved with me to help me prepare for my parts and to bring my best performances. This was how I was able to bring out my best, by directly interacting with students and teachers.
Gallaudet has created a welcoming and inclusive environment where deaf individuals and hearing people like me can thrive and succeed in all aspects of life together.
It's a place that allows us to embrace our identities. I am Black and deaf and proud.
That's true. I am brown and hearing. I am proud of myself too. Gallaudet is a place where you can give back to my community, your community, and our community.
Come here and you'll be loved.
Come to Gallaudet and you will be loved. I am loved. I am Gallaudet.